Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire. We got an interesting video for you guys today. So today we're going to be talking about a woman that breaks off of her engagement because he's too broke to afford a bigger wedding. Let's get into the video.
You really don't want to go through with the wedding?
No, not no courthouse wedding. No, I don't. Not getting married.
Why? Because you just want to do it for the gram. Like you just want to show off
for the gram. I
for social media.
We supposed to be getting married at a venue. I already told you that's what I want. Big wedding, big dress, big venue, everything blinged out. You already know what I want.
Because you just want to flex on your little cousins and your peers. I thought we was doing this for us though.
We are doing it for us, but we can do it how I said I want it done. If we can't do it how I said I want it done, then we don't have to do it at all. I'm not getting married at no courthouse. What do I look like getting married at a courthouse? Like that don't even sound right. That's not even a wedding. Like you being mad cheap right now and mad weird for no reason.
I'm being cheap, but you want a whole cruise right now. Okay, you ain't had to pay a dollar.
Okay, that's what you're supposed to do. I'm used to dealing with people with money, who are able to get me whatever I need, whenever I want it, however I want it. You broke, say that. If you broke, just say that, because you being mad cheap and it's mad weird. So that's what I'm used to. You know what I'm used to. You know what I come from. So
I'm saying, but you know, it ain't never been nothing broke about me. Anything you ask for,
you acting like it.
Anything you ask for, you get. You know
okay.
But this is the one thing.
Nah, that's not what I'm used to. So give me exactly what I'm asking for, and there's no problems.
So what am I? Is this supposed to be like some sugar daddy type situation, or you want me to be your husband?
If that's what you want to call it, if you want to call it a sugar daddy because it makes you feel
I don't want to.
If it makes you feel better saying sugar daddy, then say that. But
that's what you're putting me in the mind.
I'm not putting you in the category as being a sugar daddy. I'm just telling you what I'm used to. You know what I come from.
You feel crazy.
You know
sound crazy.
So I don't care how it sounds.
You're putting these crazy stipulation on our wedding because
it could be that.
Like how you sound.
If you broke, can you afford it? Can you afford it?
Is the ocean wet?
Okay, then. So what are you complaining about?
What you mean? Can I afford it?
Get it done then.
Make me want to get it done. Like
no, it's not. I obviously made you want to get it done if you want to marry me. So.
All right, but then as soon as the marriage drop, right? What you gonna ask for?
Whatever I see that I want.
You gonna say you want a big behind house, right?
Right.
You gonna say you want another car, right?
Right.
So that's just.
And I expect you to get it.
I mean.
Okay.
I don't know. We're not seeing eye to eye on this. Like
at this point, then if we're not seeing eye to eye, I don't think it's gonna work then. Because that's just what it's gonna be.
Maybe you should work.
I don't need to work.
That might help. Like
I don't need to work. What's the purpose of being in a relationship?
Because you want a sponsor.
No.
Like you don't want to.
I want a man who makes sure I get what I want.
You want a sugar daddy. That's what you want.
If that's what you want to call it. I want a provider. That's what I call it.
So you being out here on bring her to the Bahamas, 7 days, bought all her whole wardrobe, paid for everything, drinks and all that.
That's what you're supposed to do.
That's not being a provider.
That's your job.
Most girls out there getting Applebee's.
Okay.
And you still being ungrateful.
You see what I want.
All right, so let's say in an event I couldn't afford no wedding like that.
Then we wouldn't be getting married.
So that's what it's about. That's then. Exactly it's about the money.
It's not about the money. It's about what I want, and what I want is.
But I thought what you wanted was me, though. I thought we was doing this for our love.
We can do that for love. That's
I just want to live like a normal, little, nice, little, happy, quiet life. But she want to be all festive.
Yes, because I'm a festive person.
And try to keep up with the Joneses. Like that's not what it's about. I don't even know the
Joneses. I'm a festive person, and I like to have the best, and I deserve the best. And that's what
social media.
Going to give me.
That social media stuff got your head.
Live up to your words. Stop being cheap.
That social media stuff got your head messed up.
Stop being cheap. I'm not getting married at no.
I mean, there's nothing cheap about me, but I'm just saying.
That's like a joke right now.
We could be using those expenses for other stuff.
Okay, you can make more money for other stuff after we get my wedding that I want. So don't ask me to marry you. Don't ask me to marry you at your courthouse.
So do you want to marry me or you want to marry my wife?
I want to marry at the venue that I picked out, and that's that. Like, there's nothing else really to talk about. You can give me what I want and don't give me nothing at all. You can marry somebody else at a courthouse. I'm not taking that from you. If you want to get married at a courthouse so bad because that's important to you, you can do it with somebody else.
It ain't. It's just why spend all the extra money for the
because
same?
That's what I want. That's what I want, and that's what I'm gonna have.
Right, so maybe further on down the line, maybe that could be that could happen.
Do it right the first time, and you don't got to do it again. Do it right the first time. You don't have to do it again. If you want to get married at a courthouse, go do that with somebody else. Be cheap with somebody else. But if you want to be with me, You already know. I already said my
And
piece.
this is
I
what
said
I
my
put
piece.
up
I'm not gonna
with.
keep talking about it because it's getting redundant at this time.
Brother, let it go. All right, just like that Disney, just like that Disney song say, man, let it go. One of the things that she said, one of the first things that she said in this video is he's supposed to pay for the wedding. That's not true. If we're thinking about tradition, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that it's actually the woman's side or the young lady's side of the family. It's their job to pay for the wedding. The father of the wife is supposed to pay that bill. It's the father's gift to that man while he's giving his daughter away to pay that bill. I may be wrong. But I believe that it's the father's job of the wife to pay that bill. Second of all, she's telling you exactly who she is and what she wants. She wants a sugar daddy. She pretty much said, if that's what you want to call it, yes, she wants a sugar. She wants some guy that's going to come in and foot all of the bills, and she literally has nothing to do but sit there. And I think that she believed that her only job is to look pretty. And I don't think that she's doing a great job at that. Hey, it is what it is. Fellas, if you have someone like this that's telling you exactly who they are, believe them. Believe them and move on. She's saying, listen, if you don't pay for the wedding that I want, there's no need in us getting married. Like, bro, you're hitting it on all cylinders, so you marry me for my money. Yeah, pretty much. That's exactly what she's saying. So believe her the first time she says it. Then understand it's not going to get better from here. She's showing you her true colors right now. So believe her. And then unfortunately, you have men like this that believe that, things are going to change when we get married. No, fam. In most cases, it doesn't get better. In fact, a lot of times they get worse. You start to see more of who they are. And it's obvious that she's looking for, or she's used to, so she said, and she continued to keep bringing that up. She's used to guys paying the bill, doing all these different things for her. And so to that young lady, I would have said, well, you know what? You get one of those guys to marry you. You get with one of those guys that's been footing the bill, that's been doing all these great and wonderful things for you this entire time. Because I'm not honestly looking to sponsor anybody. I'm not looking for a child to take care of. I'm not looking for anybody that's not willing to at least step up and be willing to have a conversation. And hopefully we can meet. We can hopefully be able to meet at middle ground. This young man right here, honestly, is one of those guys that needs some coaching. This young man right here is someone that honestly needs some guidance from a man that's going to teach him and show him how to be a man. Someone that's going to get him to understand that, fam, this is not the way to go. There are a lot of beautiful, intelligent, soft, feminine women that will be more than willing to get on your program once you become the man that you're supposed to be. But until then, fam, you're going to have to drop this young lady and you're going to have to do the work on yourself, and you will naturally start to attract women that understand this is not the way to go. This is not the move. And if this is something that's not in our best interest right now, then we can have that conversation. This young lady, she wants what she wants when she wants it, and she don't want to hear anything that this guy has to say. That to me does not sound like a wife. That sounds like an owner. Yeah, I understand that you have worked all day by the sweat of your own eyebrow, and I want to spend your money the way that I want to spend your money when I want to spend your money. And you have no say-so in the matter. If you feel like you have a say-so, then go marry somebody else. Again, which I believe something that he should do. But anyway, I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about this particular video, man? Do you believe that she's right? Do you believe that she's right? And do you believe that, you know, it's a guy's job, it's his duty to do all of these things from someone that's not giving something in return? Or do you believe that this is a delusional young lady? Let me know down in the comments, man. All right. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.